So if Laddie's here by himself getting in and out of his chair, he has his walker parked right here.
Yeah.
So when he gets out of his chair, he grabs a hold of his super pole, which is behind him here.
Yeah.
And then he leans against the super pole and can reach to his chair. I mean to his walker, I'm sorry. So then he can go anywhere he needs to go in the house with his walker. So for those who don't know it, Laddie Reed can actually, and still does, walk.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm happy now.
You're happy now?
Yeah.
Happy the chair's fixed?
Yeah. My way. Tim.
Fixed your way thanks to Tim Perkins?
Yeah.
And Andrew, who came to fix it today?
Yeah.
And Amy and Cindy at the office who helped? Right?
I'll them tomorrow.
You're going to email them tomorrow?
Yeah.
Email who? Invacare?
No, Erica.
He's going to email Cindy tomorrow and tell her how grateful he is that they came and helped him.
Yeah. Okay.